Do you have a maintenance required light illuminated in your Toyota and now you want to know what to do? This light is scheduled to illuminate every 5,000 miles in order to remind you that you are due for an oil change. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the button for your odometer, and you're going to set this to trip A setting. So once you have this set to trip A, we're going to hold this in and we're going to then remove the key from the ignition. Now you could get away with doing this without removing the key from the ignition, but it just gives you more time to have the reset process. So we're going to turn the ignition back on with our fingers still pressing in on the odometer button, and then the light should automatically go away as it did there. Remove your finger from the button and you are good to go. Stay tuned if you're interested in seeing a remote start and a factory made safe installed on this vehicle.